Okay, that's not a problem. Okay, now um, is everyone in table view?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. So now here,
Yes.
what we are going to do is we are going to create a new column which says count. We are counting the number of movies. Okay, so for that we are going to create a new column. So where can we find the new column? Can anyone tell me?
At the top.
Yeah, at the top, see, there is table tools, right? So this one, we need to go and create a new column. So can you all see? Can you all click that new column?
Yes.
Okay, so now here you can see a formula bar. This is called a formula bar. Can you all see that?
Yes.
No.
So, no?
I don't know how to.
Yeah, mine only says file, home, help, and table tools. Wait, no, what?
Yeah, go to table tools. If you are in table tools, then you
Yeah.
click on column, new column. Then you will be able to see this.
Okay, thank you.
Are you able to
I
see
can't
that?
see
See
it.
that? Can you see table tools?
Yes.
Can you click on new column?
No, I can't.
Can you click on table tools and then new column here?
Oh, okay.
Okay, so click there. And then you will come to this particular um, formula bar.
I see it. Mine's working now.
Okay, that's good, Lume. What about so everyone can see this? Anyone
Yeah.
who cannot?
Yeah, I can
Any
see it.
chat? Okay, that's good. Thing is there in chat. Okay. Now, what I want to do is I want to create a column named count, and then each row I will give as one because I know that this movie data set has one row per movie. So what I'll do is I'll just rename this column as count. So what this does is this column you see here, right? That will be renamed to count. That's what I'm instructing this one to do. And then each line I need to give it a value called 1. Okay? Has everyone done this? Count equals 1. Anyone who did not do it?
I've done it,
Okay.
but like the number's showing green. I can see green in number.
That should be okay. Now after that, you click on either commit or just press enter. So now you have pressed enter, right?
No,
Yeah.
Who said no?
me.
Uh, what happened?
I don't know what. I can't see the enter button.
On your keyboard, or you can click on this one.
Enter. Oh.
Yeah, or you can click on this one. This is similar to enter the tick box. Okay, this tick box.
Is it
Okay,
supposed to make the whole column one?
yes, whole column one. That's the instruction we are giving here.
Oh, okay.
And what did you all notice once you click on once you hit enter? I know
The column got
somebody knows.
selected?
Not so much column got selected, column got created because earlier we didn't have a column called count, right? Everyone agrees?
Yes.
Yes. So now we created a column called count. Okay. So when we create a new column, we can see this column, right? We can see, and then it is a column. Okay. Now
Yes.
we will create something called a measure. Okay, measure means you can't see the column like this, but it gets created and you can see it here. Okay, see it on the data pane. And when you use your visualizations, that's when you can see the value. Okay, just remember that. So now we will create a measure called sum of budget. Okay, so now what I want you to do is go into table tools, click on the table tools, everyone. And then I want to create a measure. So what shall I do?
Click new measure.
New measure.
Very good, Pranav.
At
New
the
Okay.
top,
measure.
click New Measure.
Yes.
New
Okay,
measure.
everyone.
measure.
Everyone click on new measure. Now what we can see?
One measure.
One measure equals.
Yes. So now, now I want to name the measure as budget amount. Okay. What can I do? What should I do now?
You should replace the measure with budget amount.
Very good, Priya. Okay. So I'm just going to replace this. Don't remove the equals. Just go and replace just the measure to budget amount. And this budget amount, I want to summarize this budget amount. Can you go and look in your column? Is there anything that relates to budget? Any column that relates to budget?
Yes.
Yes, right? So what I want to do is, I want to summarize this budget based on the analysis that I want to do. Okay. So for that, there is a function called sum. Okay. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm just going to give you very simple function called sum. So for that, what we need to do is you just need to go sum. See, sum, you can see fx, right? Fx means function. So we are going to use this sum function. So I'm choosing that. So once I choose that, see here, can you see what it says? What is it saying? Here,
Column name.
one
Some
column name.
column name.
So what is the column that we are going to give here? I want to sum the budget. What is the column that we are going to give here?
Budget.
Budget. Very good. So start typing budget and BU, and then you will have budget. Choose this one. And then see the syntax here, sum, open brackets, column name, and then after that, close brackets, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Is your formula looking like this?
Yes.
Can you
Yeah.
tell what we have to do again?
So did you click on the measure,
Yes.
new measure, and did you rename the measure to budget amount
Yes, I did all that.
and sum of movie data budget, all this?
Yep, I did that.
Yes. Just click on enter and let me
Oh,
know
okay.
what you have noticed. Everyone, let me know what you have noticed.
There's the new budget amount.
Yeah, there's the new budget amount where?
On the data thing.
On the data thing. Can you see it as a column here?
No.
No, because what you have created is a measure and not a column.
Column.
Okay,
Column.
so that is the main difference between column and measure. Okay. Okay,
Yes.
so now everyone understood? Any questions? Chat.
No.
Any questions? No, right? Okay. Now we have to understand, before we start creating visualizations, we have to understand two more concepts, facts and dimensions. Okay. So now, first I'll explain you what dimensions are. Okay. So we have this data. Okay. Now, any analysis, whatever you want to do, some kind of analysis with the data, you need to ask some ask some questions. Okay, answer some questions in any analysis. Okay, so now let's say, for example, I have a question, number of movies by year. Okay, that is the question I want to answer. How many number of movies are there by year? Okay, so look at, just listen to the question carefully. Number of movies by year. Okay, so here you have two terms, facts and dimensions. Whatever comes after by, usually in that question, by, that is called a dimension. So dimension means you can have number of movies by color. So some movies are color and some movies are black and white, right? So number of movies by color. So color is a dimension here and number of movies is a fact. Okay, understood?
Yeah.
Okay, so now if you understood, then now answer my question. Number of movies by actor to name. What is the fact and what is the dimension? Anyone? So
The
question is,
dimension is the color.
yeah, dimension is the color, but I have asked a new question. The question is number of movies by actor to name. Okay, so which one is dimension, which one is fact? Ovisa, Pranav, I'll put the question in the chat, okay? Very good, Ovisa. Now, actor to name is the dimension and number of movies is the fact, okay? Very good. Why is that? Because number, always remember, fact is a number. So if you look at our data, whatever is number, that will be always fact. It can't be a dimension. Some of the, it's not that always, some of the numbers like year, latitude, longitude will not be facts. It will be numbers. Okay?
Is
They will
fact
be.
data type bunichar.
Sorry? Shruti, did you say something?
Is fact like a data type?
No, it's not a data type. It's some kind of measure, because you are trying to analyze the data, right?
Yeah.
So if you are analyzing the data, you will have questions to analyze, right? What could
Yeah.
be the number of, what could be the number of movies by actor two, or what could be the number of movies by director? So like that. So in that, you will have to have a fact and a dimension to answer to analyze the data. So that is where you will have, most of the time your facts will be numeric and most of the time your dimensions will be strings like these: actor to name, color, director name. All these are dimensions.
Okay.
Okay, so actor three
Yeah.
name, those kind of things. Okay, so that is the
Okay.
so that's what a fact and a dimension are. Have you all understood?
Yes.
Any questions?
No.
Mustafa, Zoya, Avisa, I know you understood. 233612. Yug, right? Yes. That's good. Asna, Kumuda, all of you understood? Okay. So now we have understood everything. Now I'll give, I'll,
The fatty, bro. I'll call them fatty in front of you, bro.
can you mute yourself, please? Okay. So now, I'm giving this to Tanuja. So now she's going to help you all create graphs.
You touched it. You pressed enter, bro. My mouth was on the mic button.
Papa!
Okay.
Hello everyone. How are you doing?
Good,
Good.
thank you.
Okay, so today I'm going to explain a bit regarding visualizations. So, can you able to see the screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So these are the visualizations. Pad we are having. So we are having, right? This is bar chart, column chart, and
Yeah.
cluster bar. Every different graphs will give different analysis. Okay.
Okay.
So today I'm going to explain you the bar chart initially. So just click on stacked bar chart. You'll be having like this. Everyone have clicked?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. I can't see the grid though.
No, that's not a problem. But you have the graph, right? Empty graph. It was showing just a bar graph. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So by what Indira have told, what's the fact and what's the dimension?
Um.
So okay, you have created a measure, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the measure you have created?
Budget amount.
Budget amount.
Yeah. Yes. Very good. So budget amount is the measure. So we are going to take the budget amount in the y-axis. Just click the budget amount. And the dimension, we can go for color. Okay. That's in the x-axis.
Ma'am, I'm not able to click it.
What have you done?
Able to click it.
Can't able to click it.
Ma'am,
Mm,
it's
yeah,
not working. It's not working. It's saying
not
this type
working.
of error or something.
Okay. Did you select this? Select the graph,
Yeah?
Let's see.
and then did you choose budget amount in the x-axis?
Um,
Oh, now it works.
And then in the y-axis you need to have color.
But it's not showing the full thing. It's not showing black and white. It's only showing
black and
color.
white, it's just also-
How do you do it?
Okay, let's try and do it again.
This is-
Yeah, just delete.
Okay.
Okay, so now, okay,
Again, just click on bar graph. Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. Just click on the measure what you have created is budget amount on x-axis. Just click on the budget amount, or else if you are not getting, just drag that budget amount into x-axis. Drag it. Select
Okay.
and drag it to x-axis. Then color. Drag the color to y-axis. Now everyone got it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So yeah, okay. Did
Yes.
you get the graph same like what I got?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So this is one graph. So what we can, what we can able to see from the graph. So the people who are using the color, the budget amount, yeah, movies are mostly in the color, not in the black and white. The proportion of the color is more comparatively with black and white. Is it for everyone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so this is an example of stacked bar. Now I want to go with column.
Maybe you can do number of movies by year.
Okay, okay. Again, take another stacked bar graph.
Click outside the bar chart and then click on the white space. Yeah, and then click on bar chart.
I'm clicking it. It's not working.
Click outside.
Outside. Click on the white space here, somewhere outside the bar chart. And
Now
then
it's
click
working.
and then click on line chart or bar chart. Is it working?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay.
now select that bar chart and then let's say movies, number of movies by year. So if you count. Yeah, now because we have created a new column called count, right?
Yeah.
So drag the count into x-axis. And
I can't see count.
Did you not create a new column
New
called
column.
count?
I don't know. I just.
Search here.
the data, yeah, in the data pane, go to search and click count.
It's not. I didn't create it.
So maybe.
Oh,
If you didn't create, okay, you can drag movie underscore title
Okay.
into x-axis, and then you will get count of movie title. Everyone done that?
Yes.
okay. Then click on title here, grab this into y-axis. Count by year. This is count by year.
Not what's the screen in
I can't.
Why?
Title. I only have title, not title year.
You should be having, that should be the
Last one.
column.
Last
yeah,
one.
last
Yeah.
Yes, okay.
I can't see here.
The
It
last
should be
one,
last one.
The very last one.
Yeah.
very last, yeah. Title underscore year.
Got it.
Yes, okay.
Okay. Now see here, the sum of count, we need to remove the sum, rename it, okay?
Rename it to number of movies. So you double click that and then rename.
Or else okay.
Double click and then rename it to
Number of movies.
It's not working.
Double click
Double
and then
click
you will
it.
get it.
I tried.
So here, if you double click here, and then you will get that will enable.
It's working.
Working?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So what we are seeing here is number of movies by year. Okay, now usually if there is a timeline like year or month or something, what the visual that we use is not a bar graph, but a line graph, because you can see the trend. Okay. So now let's change this graph to line graph. So make sure you
Select the graph.
Yeah.
And change it into the line graph. Just from top, second one, okay? Then you can see the trend over here.
Does this make sense?
Yeah.
This graph makes more
Yes.
sense than the earlier one, right? So always
Yes.
remember. So always remember when you have something to do with year, month, date, make sure you use line graphs. Okay, that's when you can see the trend. That's one tip. Okay. Next.
So everyone done till here?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now number of
Yes.
movies by title by director or something.
So again, I'm going for uh, bar chart, okay? Just take another bar chart. So number of movies. This is count again. Count into x-axis and
What do I add?
director name into y-axis.
I don't have count. So what do I add?
Yeah, so again you
movie
need
title.
to rename the count.
No, she doesn't have title. She
okay.
doesn't have count. If you don't have count, you add movie underscore title.
Movie underscore title, yes.
So underscore.
And then rename the sum of count.
And rename the sum of count as number of movies.
Okay. Well,
Okay,
what do I
so
what do
yeah.
I add in the y-axis?
So y-axis is director name.
Okay.
So the director name is dimension and number of movies is your what?
Data.
Fact.
Fact. Yeah. See what you have observed from this graph?
Steven Spielberg has done the most movies.
Yes.
Very good.
That's good. also, now I want to see the top 10 directors who are m- making more, the number of movies, who are taking more number of movies. I just want to see the top 10. So for that, I am going for the filter pen. Okay. Can you all go for filter pen now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you do it
In
again?
the Sorry. So
Okay.
okay. So I just want to check the directors who are all performing top 10. Okay. So for that, I want to go to filter pane. You can see the filter pane just before visualization pane, right?
Excuse me. Can
Yeah.
can you do
Yeah.
everything again?
Okay. Okay. Sure. So just click the graph. And you can see the filters pane, right? Just before the visualization.
Yes.
Okay. Now on the filters pane, filters on this page. Just
It says filters on this visual.
sorry,
It says filters on this visual.
not the visual. Did you see the
Yeah.
filters pane?
Oh, now it works. Now it's working.
Oh, okay.
But it says
So
sort AZ.
sorry.
It says sort
No, no,
AZ and
wait.
ZA.
Let me have a look. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe we have to select the graph, darling.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to select the graph.
But yeah, still like I cannot. I still think that filter on this page is a little bit maybe more options. Click on that.
No, not on filter on this page. See here. Once you click on the
Yeah,
visual, then you will see filters on this visual.
Yeah, we're seeing that. Okay, cool. Okay,
Okay.
cool. Sorry.
So you are seeing this, right?
Director name and number of movies.
So because you
Oh.
want to
And tomorrow
see
दूसरा
that,
है ना?
okay, so now the question is, who are the top 10 directors, right? So in order to answer that question, here, if in this visual, we have lot of directors. So for example, if I go here, if I expand this one, you will see, you will have lot of directors. Scroll. See, there are a lot of directors you can see, right? See, it's going on. I just want to see who are the top 10. So to answer that question, we need to create a filter for director name. Okay. And how do we create a filter? In the filter pane, choose the director name and then click on the drop down. Can you all
See the top and
can you all see the drop down
Yes.
filter type? This is here. We choose, what do we choose here? If we want to see top 10 directors, top N, right? So choose top N. And then you have top show items. So because you want top 10, you just give 10 as the number. Did you all do that?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, what top 10 directors based on what? This is the value it is asking, right? So, do you want to see based on number of movies or do you want to see based on budget amount? You can see by budget amount or gross or whatever you want to see. Okay. Even based on Facebook likes also you can see. Okay. For now, let's look at budget amount. So we have created a budget amount measure, right? So drag the budget amount measure into the by value where it says add data fields here. So drag the budget amount there. So your filter should look like what is there on the screen.
Yeah.
Have you all dragged the budget amount?
Yep.
Anyone who did not drag? Tanishka, I'll talk to you later, okay? Okay, so now apply filter. Now click on apply filter. Can you see the apply filter? Click on apply filter and then now your graph will change. And it
See?
is now displaying only 10 based on budget amount. Okay? Okay, what if we want to create the similar graph based on number of movies? What do we do?
You change budget amount to number of movies.
Yeah, number of movies. What is the column that we have?
It's
Count, right?
yeah, count.
Yeah, so you can do that. That can be your homework, okay? Okay, now, have you all understood how to do visualizations?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now if you want to, let's say, for example, you want to change this to this budget amount by color because there are only two values. What I want to do is I want to change it to a pie chart. How do I do that?
You click on your graph that you have and you change it to pie chart.
Yeah, you click on pie chart. Very good. So I clicked on pie chart and then you can see this. And also if you want to try formatting, you select the graph and then here you click on the format your visual, the middle one. Can you all see?
Yeah.
And then you can try different things, slices, colors. If you want, you can change that to slice colors. You can change whatever you want to change. And also if you want to change the legend, see this one, this is legend. And if you want to include data labels outside, see at the moment these are outside. So you can try different values because you have holidays, you can try all these, okay? How many of you are going to try?
Me.
Pranav. Yeah, Pranav,
What's
yeah.
what's the legend?
Legend means, see, you are having colors, right? And
Yeah.
let's say, for example, let me show you something. You don't have the legend here. See, I don't have the legend here, okay? So how do you know without the legend what is what? So this is color and that is black and white, right? Only if you display the legend, you will know that this color means color and this one means black and white, right?
Yeah.
So if it's in some of the charts, it's important to have the legends. In some, you don't need to have. So that is that is what a legend means. Okay, you're trying to say what is what.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, okay. So now let's go back to the agenda. So we have done some visualizations. You can try others. Be as much in creative as possible. So you can copy and paste as well. So this one, I'm copying the visual. What is the shortcut for copy? Anyone knows?
Control C.
Yes, Control C. And what is the shortcut for paste?
Control C.
Control V.
Control V. Yes. And then you can drag. See, I just did Control C, Control V, and then I dragged. So you can do that and then change it to, let's say, table. And then add some other fields. If it is table, you can add more fields, right? So you can try it different. You can also try a heat map. there will be a heat map somewhere. See this one. So tree map, yeah, tree map, and there is also somewhere there will be. I think it's called tree map here. So you can try various these things and see what you are trying to what you are trying you understand from those visuals. Okay. Now your homework is I want you to create as many visuals as possible by you using this movie metadata, and also there is a link here. I'll paste that link here as well as in the WhatsApp group as well as in the email. It's called makeovermonday.co.uk data. And just go into that for you all to see. Okay, so here you have data sets for for different years, and it has data for a lot of years. See all these years from 2016 to 2026, and each week you will have one data set. So find whatever interests you. Some of you might be interested in analyzing sports data. Some of you might be interested in analyzing chocolate data. Some of you might be interested in analyzing games data. Whatever you feel, just go through what interests you in each of the years. See here, where in Europe do men sit down to pee? Do you want to analyze? You can analyze that. Okay. Asian restaurants in the US, you can analyze that. Something like that. So if you want to analyze this data, just go into the link here. There, because this is in the form of a table, right? Go into the link here. It goes into data.world. What you need to do is, I think all of you have Google Gmail accounts, right? So
Yeah.
click on this
Yeah.
sign in with Google. Once it asks you sign in with Google, choose your Gmail address, and then you will be able to download that data set. So for example, I'm trying to download, see what the data is. Wages across Europe. See here you have something called data set. And choose, see this one, this data set has, oh, this is another data set, sorry. Here you can have, see here, this is the data set that they are providing. And here you have 10 columns and 10 rows. This is less data. Okay, so you have only 10 columns and countries, but dates by countries you have. That's all. You have 10 countries, 9 countries, I think, and 9 dates. This is less data. So try to find something that that has more data, and then try to download. And once you download this CSV file, you know how to get the data into Power BI, right?
Yeah.
So I want you to choose your data, get that data into Power BI, and try to answer some questions. So for example, if you go into this one, see how the minimum wage has changed since 2020. So you can try to create that kind of a graph. See, you can try to create that kind of a graph, or if you have more data, you can try to answer maybe let's say 4 or 5 questions based on that data. Okay. So try to get data as to what you are interested in. Try to first identify the data sets, download the data sets, import the data sets into Power BI, and then visualize them. Okay. Once you do that, next week, what we are going to have is, I want you to come up with if you're having some challenges, I want you to write down those challenges, and then we will discuss what kind of challenges you have faced when you are creating your data visualizations. Okay. Everyone up for it?
Yes. Okay, I'm up for it.
Okay, that's very good. And I'll share the link here.
Yeah.
and then all of you can try it. Everyone has time, right?
Yes.
Who is so
Yes.
excited to choose your own data? Yes, Tanvi and Kavya, very good. Satvik, very good. Yes. Okay, so everyone do that, and then let's discuss more things, more challenges, and more what you have learned. Okay, what you have learned and what challenges you faced. I want you all to share that. We'll first 15 minutes we will share that, and then we'll continue with the class. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
let's leave it here.
Okay.
And yeah, the first 30 minutes, sorry, I couldn't record. But let's see whether I can incorporate, or maybe I'll explain that again in the next class, and then maybe we can record that. And
Ma'am.
if somebody can't hear me, Pranav, you can't hear me? Is it only Pranav? Everyone else can hear?
I can hear you.
Okay.
I can hear you.
I can hear you.
Okay, thanks. Okay, so you do that, and then um we will actually have Ruwan, are you sharing something? Okay, yeah. Okay, so now we can discuss, and if somebody has questions, Danishka, I think,
Ma'am, I can't hear
stay
you.
back.
I can.
Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
you please stay back, okay?
Sure.
I can't hear you.
Log out and log back in. What is the link? Yeah. Yeah, this is the link. Ria.
So I leave?
Yeah, leave. Yes. Okay, so whoever is having issues or questions can stay back, others can leave.
Thank you.
Okay, see you. Hope you enjoyed the
Thank you.
class.
Thank you.
Thank-
Bye.
Thank you, Abhisha.
you. Bye.
See you. Bye.
Bye.
Next week.
See you next week. Yes. Okay, Danishka,
Thank you.
did you get the
Thank you,
link to movie
bye.
dataset?
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
No, I'm just opening it now.
I still can't
Okay,
hear
yeah.
you. Still same.
Mm, work இருக்குதா?
Pranav, can you hear me now?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Is it Monday makeovermonday.co.uk?
Yes. But not that. I want, because you missed last class, right?
Yeah. Yes,
So what?
I did.
Okay, so did you have the movie dataset into Power BI? Because I think you attended last year, right? You might be having that same file.
No, because apparently at that time I used my mom's laptop,
Okay.
and that time the thing was changed. We got the new laptop, and like
Okay.
the laptop updated,
Okay, no
and
worries.
so I joined from my Chromebook because the laptop had some issues.
Okay. Chromebook you can't use for Power BI. So you might have to have a laptop, and then you need to download Power BI desktop on it, and then you can start using.
Sure. By by Monday, I think I will ask my mom.
Okay.
Chromebook లో work అవుదంట.
Yeah. Okay. During the week, if you have any questions,
can you just send me the video
Recording?
recordings so
Yeah.